because of the consumer. And again, I want to qualify this one. Sometimes this is not done intentionally. Again, what we've been either exposed of becomes something who we are. So probably because of the culture that we're living in. Okay? We treat, his name is Eric Dargan, and he produced a 2-volume work that outlines what happened in the Western civilization, and that was his conclusion. That the preaching, the emphasis of preaching coming from the Protestant circles was a large force that caused the shaping of the Western world. Sit down and hear the word of God preached on top of it.
Hoy, di siya biplok. Pidikan mo na ano mo.
Papapagmara. Oh, Catalana, oh. Shh. Asa ka, boss? Boss? Asa ka? Shh. Nawi. Asa ka adto? Ay, Catalana, sapatos, oh. Nawi, you open your surprise, dali. You open na yun. Faster. Faster. Wow! Ala! Ala, what? Wow, nice ride. Paita, di mamusakay. Yeah, ride na.
Isa man inyo.
Hoy.
Papa. Mama, Papa.
Nung second niya?
Wapa gani. Wow, ride sa imong bike, ride sa imong bike. Ride sa imong bike lakaw. Dali.